Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chicken makhani. You need 1 kg chicken boneless cut into cubes, 2 teaspoon garlic, add 2 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Squeeze in 1 lemon and mix well. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Cook the chicken on a grill. Once cooked, remove and keep aside. For the makhani, heat 2 tablespoon oil, add 3 sliced onions, 6 roughly cut tomatoes, 7 to 8 green chillies, 1 teaspoon Zeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 cardamom. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. Grind the mixture. Sieve the mixture. Add some water to loosen the pulp. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 5 tablespoon cashew nut paste, and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, add the chicken into the makhani. Add 1 teaspoon Kasoori Methi. Let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat before serving. Do try out the recipe. Thanks for watching.